Do you like your morning routine? Many of us have a morning routine that was passed down to us by our parents or guardians. Many of us grow up and continue living by the same morning routine, not feeling the need to change it. Some of us may have a great morning routine, while many of us have a mundane morning routine. We wake up, wash our face, brush our teeth, have breakfast, tea, or coffee, get dressed, and go about our day. Some of us have decided that we want to improve our morning routine, and so we try to do certain things differently than what we were raised to do.
Today, we want to bring you a basic foundation for a morning routine that will set your day on a high-frequency path. It will set the tone for a high-vibrational, successful, and peaceful day. Notice that we are sharing a basic foundation, and each person may want to apply more or less to this routine. Always remember that you are a free bird. If you don't want to do something, then don't do it. Always tune inward and listen to your body. If you would like to add something valuable to enhance this morning routine, then by all means, do so, and please share your ideas with the community, leave a comment, and let's upgrade our well-being journey together.
Welcome to Medi-date. Before we share the step-by-step pivotal morning routine, we must acknowledge the fact that this routine is not new. In fact, it is the way of our ancestors. This is a basic map on how they started their day. Many cultures today may still start their day in similar ways, or do bits and pieces of the routine and may have stopped or modified some practices as the years went by. Also, it's important to note that this routine is for everyone, men, women, and children. With no further ado, let's dive in and rise high with our morning routine.
1. Create space. Create or choose a space in your home that is clean, quiet, private, and suitable for meditation. While some of us already have space in our homes, and all we have to do is choose a space, and maybe set up a few things, many of us may not have such a space. However, this routine is for everyone, not just for those of us who have the space. So, if you are watching this video, and you don't have such a space, and you are saying to yourself things like, well, my home is too small, or my home is not attractive, it needs renovation, I don't have enough money, or too many people live in my home and I don't have a private space, and the list goes on, we are here to create space together. Take a moment and think about this. When you are at home and you need your space away from others in your household, without leaving your home, where do you go? Maybe that go-to place can be your special space. If you think it's not possible for you to create space inside your home, then maybe go outside and sit in the yard or in your family car, or go to the nearest park, mountain, beach, lake, river, or any other quiet space in nature. The bottom line is you need to create space for yourself, a go-to space that you can go to every morning. Maybe you also need a backup space, in the case that your first designated space is not available for any reason. You need to be ready to show up for yourself every morning. Having your own meditation space allows room for focus, emotional regulation, and personal development. Subscribe, like, and share. Also, please do share your challenges and ideas in the comments section, and yup, let's upgrade our well-being journey together.
2. Affirmations and confirmations. Write down affirmations for yourself based on your needs. Also, write down confirmations about yourself. Affirmations are sentences that encourage and support us to overcome specific challenges in our lives. For example, if I am fearful and my fears are getting in the way of my growth and development, I will write down I am fearless, or better yet, I am courageous. As for confirmations, they are positive attributes about myself. They are characteristics about me that I already live by. They are values that I appreciate and uphold. For example, I am honest. It is important to acknowledge and confirm our positive qualities and strengths to ourselves, to not only congratulate, encourage, and support ourselves, but even more so, to motivate and impress upon ourselves to continue to maintain applying these great values in our life, and not give up, or abandon our standards due to life's pressures. Remember to update your written affirmations and confirmations as things in your life change to make them more suitable for your new needs and situations.
3. Meditation tools. You'll need to place some meditation tools in your meditation space. We will explain the purpose and use of each tool as we carry on with our discussion, so be sure to stay with us till the end because you don't want to miss it. The meditation tools include the healing elements of air, water, fire, and earth, as well as other tools. Here are the meditation tools you'll need: a bowl of water, which represents the element of water, the medicinal aloe vera plant, or any other plants or flowers. The plant represents the element of earth. The earth, plants, and living beings also represent our ancestors, those who came before us and made it possible for us to be here today. When our ancestors transition, their physical body becomes part of the earth and their spirit lives on, especially within us. For this reason, we want to give gratitude to our ancestors and acknowledge their everlasting spirit by offering a bowl of fresh fruit which can be used for composting later. This is a great reminder that we as well as our environment are sacred and should always be handled with great care. You'll also need a natural candle which represents the element of fire, and a feather which represents the element of air. You'll also need natural incense, natural essential oil, sacred stones, herbal tea, written affirmations and confirmations, a journal, a pen, a lotus picture or symbol, a picture of yourself, your loved ones, and ancestors, and a Tingsha, singing bowl, or any other healing music instrument. Learn more about the benefits of the Tingsha and healing sounds here. For our favorite meditation tools, you'll find links where you can get them in the description box below.
4. Wake up time. Now that you have a go-to space and you've set up your meditation tools, you need to be able to wake up and meditate between the hours of 4 and 6 in the morning in your own local time zone. Notice that if you wake up at that time, you will have more space than you think to be able to meditate because everyone else in your home will probably still be sleeping, unless of course they decide they want to do the same thing as you. If you feel that waking up so early every day is too difficult, then no problem, try it one day a month or one day a week, and then do this as many times as you can or feel like it. Always listen to your body. Waking up early probably means that you will need to change your bedtime so that your body can naturally wake up at 4 in the morning on its own. Maybe going to bed around 8 at night is a good idea. Some individuals as well as entire cultures around the world already wake up and have been waking up at 4 in the morning. So simply, let's quietly join them. Waking up at the same time as the sun is rising allows us to regulate our body's internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm. The gradual rising of the sun and the exposure to its natural light signals the body to start the day in a way that improves the quality of our sleep when the nighttime comes. It also boosts our energy levels, enhances our mood, and our overall health. Additionally, it gives us a sense of tranquility, anticipation, and a quiet promise of a new beginning. What a glorious way to start your day, right? Oh, and remember to smile as you open your eyes and give gratitude for your existence and your ability to breathe, move, and enjoy another day despite any challenges.
5. Get ready. Prepare to meet with yourself. Show yourself respect. You don't want to meet with yourself with sleepy eyes, bad breath, messy hair, and any kind of outfit. Wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, not only to look well kept, but also combing your scalp aids circulation. Put on a clean, comfortable white outfit. White is a color of purity and cleanliness. Colors have different frequencies. They affect us in different ways, and they have different meanings. Follow us to learn more.
6. Prepare beverages. When you wake up, you want to prepare important beverages that will help you open up your body system gently to break your fast after sleeping all night. These beverages are also cleansing and building to the body system. They are nutritious, medicinal, aid in digestion, and more. Start by preparing herbal tea for yourself. There are many different kinds of herbal tea. You may choose a kind that satisfies your own needs as you begin to identify them. Here is a go-to herbal tea recipe and its benefits to get you started. Follow us for more herbal tea recipes and benefits. Next, squeeze the fresh juice of half a lemon and half an orange. Mix both juices to make a shot. Next, if you have access to all natural fresh coconut water, then add some fresh aloe vera to your coconut water. If you do not have access to all natural fresh coconut water, then add fresh aloe vera to a glass of water. Bring all the beverages that you prepared to your meditation space. Also, several types of sacred stones are commonly used for infusing water, such as rose quartz, amethyst, and others. These stones can be cleaned, soaked in water, placed under sunlight for some time, and the water can then be drunk. You can prepare this later in the day. Drinking sacred stone water aids in detoxifying and balancing the body. Please note that this cannot be done with all sacred stones. Also, drinking sacred stone water should be done in moderation. Once again, listen to your body. Follow us to learn more about sacred stones and their uses. Subscribe, like, and share.
7. Medi-date. Sit in your meditation space. Face the east to greet the sunrise. Light up your candle. The candle flame represents your heart's passion, your creative flame, and your ability to transform what's no longer healthy for you. Subscribe, like, and share. Next, burn incense. Burning incense such as frankincense, for example, has many benefits, from cleansing the environment from germs with its anti-inflammatory properties to improving respiratory functions. Please check the description box for more information. Next, repeat the words I exist. I am necessary. I am one of a kind. I am sacred as you anoint your forehead with essential oil. Essential oils have many benefits, from improving skin health to inducing relaxation. Follow us to learn more. Rub essential oil gently between your eyebrows to massage and activate your pineal gland. The pineal gland produces melatonin, which is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycles, or the circadian rhythm as we mentioned earlier. Sufficient sleep is critical for creative thinking, as it allows the brain to process information and generate new ideas that allow you to make your dreams come true. Subscribe, like, and share.
8. Gratitude. Take a deep breath. Sound the Tingsha. Say a prayer of thanks to the source of your existence. Sound the Tingsha again. Then sprinkle water on your healing aloe vera plant and give thanks for the plants that nourish and heal us, acknowledging that without water and plants we cannot breathe or live. Water is cleansing, relaxing, sustaining to life, and it is associated with wisdom. Earth offers us grounding, stability, and connection to the physical world. Next, drink your lime shot and then drink your coconut water or water with aloe vera. Give thanks for the earth that holds and houses us and the plants that nourish us. Sound the Tingsha again. And give thanks to your parents, grandparents, and ancestors for making it possible for you to be alive in this dimension here and now. Also, give thanks for your mentors and all the people that you know and don't know that impact your life. Sound the Tingsha once again. Make your healing requests or ask for assistance with any need or challenge you may have. Sound the Tingsha after every request. After that, read your affirmations and confirmations and continue to sound the Tingsha after each one. Then, drink your healing herbal tea.
9. Deep breathing. Spray essential oil in your space to purify the air, to purify your respiratory system, and offer yourself aromatherapy. Take 4 deep breaths. And then do 100 fire breaths. Try to add 100 more fire breaths every week until you reach 500. Keep adding more if you like. Breathing the element of air is vital for life. It facilitates lightness and openness. As you breathe, give gratitude for every breath of life. Follow us to learn more about deep breathing.
10. Journal. Journaling is a time to write, unload, lighten up, reflect, and plan, hence the feather, which is the symbol of the element of air and being light as a feather. Air is related to the intellect, ideas, and inspiration. Air's harmony with other elements supports creative expression and clear communication. A feather was also used as a writing instrument in ancient times. Write down any thoughts, ideas, experiences, and needs that you might have. Write down the things you need to do or any plans. Write down any questions that you might have. Listen to your body. Listen to your intuition. Reflect. Allow your spirit to lead and guide you. You are powerful more than you know. Allow your challenges to strengthen you and shape you. Never give up, but like a lotus, emerge from the mud and radiate.
11. Closing prayer. After journaling, Sound the Tingsha one more time. Put your palms together over your heart and pray a closing prayer of protection over yourself, your dear ones, your day, and your coming and going.
12. Stretch. Stretching is important for maintaining healthy joints and supporting muscle function, and improving range of motion and flexibility. Stretching reduces the risk of injuries. It enhances circulation, reduces stress, and improves mood. With that said, listen to your body, identify the stretches that it needs, and proceed to stretch. You may try yoga stretches that are suitable for you.
13. Soak your feet. Soak your feet in warm water with Epsom salt and essential oils that suit your needs for about 30 minutes. Soaking feet in Epsom salt improves circulation, relaxes muscles, improves nerve function, relieves pain, reduces any swelling, soothes tired and aching feet, reduces and relieves athlete's foot, helps with ingrown toenails, reduces foot odor, softens skin, and improves mood. After soaking your feet, take a refreshing shower. Subscribe, like, and share.
14. Break fast. Now you are ready to start your day. You may have breakfast. Check out our mindful breakfast here. Note how you feel after your morning meditation practice. Is there something you'd like to change or add to the morning meditation? Leave a comment. Remember to share with all your loved ones. See the meditation tools in the description box below. Let's upgrade our well-being journey together. Talk to you soon.